today. 2004 2500 HD 8.1 liter. It's my plow truck, obviously. More Minnesota truck. So I blew the brake line out and I just tried to fix it by replacing that one section. Of course, it broke further down, so now we're removing that. So I've already got it. I just cut it off and then I got the flare nut out of the hose. And I'm just going to leave the old one in there. And I have to figure out how I want to route this. Here's the piece that I removed. I was plowing, I was trying to crimp it off so I had some brakes while I was plowing. That didn't work. So that's out. Here I've got a new piece of brake line. I got all my tools out here. Coffee. After I cut the line off, I like to use this. Just a regular chamfering tool in my drill. Clean up that end. So instead of killing myself trying to hold on to this stupid thing, I got it clamped up in the vise here. Got this set up. So you have to set that tubing out to that distance on the die. Then the die goes in the tube. And you set that sucker up and start cranking away. Yeah, it's good on the elbow. Okay, so I hit it with the die. Now I gotta set this back up, put the second flare in it. So now it's set up. Start cranking on that. Get my little cheater pipe. Let's go. There you go. Double flare. I even remembered to put the fitting on. That's good. That's helpful. I'll go try to stab this into that line and then figure out this length of this thing and cut it off and flare that. But first I'm gonna go eat some eggs and something, and I don't know, Monster energy drink. Okay, so we got a new line installed. And just kind of between the tank and the frame. And up and connected. I'm setting up here to bleed. I pulled vacuum. I'm waiting for my assistant though.